This is the starting point for you as a freelancer. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best services that you can offer in 2023 after watching this video, which some of them require little or no skills and experience to do them, and some of them requires just small effort for you to be able to devote, and you can change your life. Trust me, in this video I'm giving my 100% review, and I don't want you to be frustrated like I was frustrated while I was starting. That's why I want to give you the real truth and the real value. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Cyril, and on this channel I create content related to learning digital skills and how you can monetize the skills. So if you are a beginner or you're someone who is on the internet who is facing some kind of difficulties, this channel, this community is the best place for you to actually start and go. So the best way you can work with me is by giving your commenting on all of my videos, telling me your worry, and definitely I'm going to answer them. It's going to be a private community link in the description, which you can use to join my WhatsApp group, and definitely from there we can always chat from time to time for me to know what you want and how I should deliver to you, because my main purpose here is to help you grow and develop. And that's why in this video I'm going to be starting by sharing with you these unique strategies which any newbie, a novice, complete beginner can start today on freelancing with these different services on freelancing platforms and out of freelancing platforms to change your life. So if that sounds like you, all you need to do is pay a few minutes and watch this video from start to the end without skipping any point. And to appreciate what I'm going to share with you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel if you want more videos like this. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is offering services on Fiverr. It's something that is very, very important. And before you want to choose a service, personally I recommend that you choose something that you love doing. I know it's very difficult that sometimes the thing that you really love doing is going to cost you a lot of time and it's going to take you a lot of energy. That's why I'm going to be giving you these simple services and lucrative ones that you can actually do. On the internet, there are tons of videos telling you how simple the internet, how simple freelancing is, how you can start today and make $1,000. Listen to me, brother. Listen to me, sister. It doesn't work that way. It really requires concentration, patience, and effort for you to be able to reach that level of $1,000 per day. Yes, it's possible, but it's going to take you few months, sometime a year, for you to reach that level. So if you're confused on the gig which you can actually offer today, the first gig which I would recommend to anybody, which requires no skills and no anything to be able to do it, is called transcription. And the good thing about transcription is that you can do it from your phone or from your laptop, anywhere you are in the world. So literally what happens is you list yourself on these freelancing platforms and people give you audio, video, and all you need to do is convert that video into text. You are just listening to the audio or listening to the video and typing it out. So the only work you have to do here is the typing work. And the good news about it is, if you have been using YouTube, discover that YouTube has captions. So all you need to do is create a YouTube account, upload this video to YouTube, and automatically YouTube generate these subtitles for you, which you can copy, put them in a nice PDF document, and deliver to your clients. There are other tools on the website. There are other tools and websites which I'm going to be tagging here and putting here also, because I did not literally script this video, and you can visit these websites to be able to transcribe your text in just a few minutes. Next one which I'm going to be recommending to you is virtual assistants. You can offer this service to a celebrity, a big YouTuber, or a content creator who is very busy. How do you know that these people are busy? Let's say I drop a video now, I'm just at 500 subscribers, I cannot be so busy to not reply to the 2 comments that I receive on my videos. I don't know why you guys don't comment to videos, but I really want to see if it's going to increase this time. So what actually happens is, if you are a virtual assistant, you look for these channels, these communities, these people, these platforms, these businesses that don't reply to comments on their social media posts, on their YouTube videos, on their Instagram posts. You look for them. So that's just an indication that they don't have a virtual assistant, or they don't have a social media manager, someone who can take care of that. So all you need to do is, especially on YouTube, it is very easy to solve that problem. You just need to look for a channel in your niche, and if you see that the commenters or maybe the subscribers are asking many questions and the YouTuber is not replying to them, reply to those questions, give good answers to them, and once you have done that, take screenshots of this and apply to that YouTuber. Say, hey sir, hey miss, I've been able to reply to comments on your channel like this, and I feel that your subscribers need this kind of reply, and this is what I do. I do this kind of virtual assistance at this amount. You are solving that person's problem and proposing your service to that person. Definitely the person is going to get you, and you're going to make money from this. And you can also list yourself on Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com as a virtual assistant, and people are going to pay you to be doing this kind of work. Guys, this is something that is very lucrative, especially for those who are having enough time to be following up all these things, you're going to make so much money. The next one is proofreading. I don't want to talk a lot about this, but proofreading is very simple. All you need to do is just read the book or read the document, read the article, and give your own points of it. Are there spelling errors? Are there grammatical errors? And literally, that's what you have to do as someone who offers that proofreading service on the freelancing platform. And one thing I always like people to know is don't depend on these freelancing platforms for you to be able to get services. Leverage social media, leverage your own personal website. It is very important to have a personal website that shows your portfolio. It's going to help you to not only build that authority, but to gain so much trust on the internet. So I will recommend that anything that you want to do, you should get a website, even if you're not getting it at the start, but as you're going up, try to invest in that. On hosting guy, you can get it at a very affordable price for the first year, and the other years you're going to upgrade it. So I've talked about that. And another interesting service which you can offer as a freelancer if you're starting from zero with no skills and no experience is banner art creation. So banner art creation actually requires some little level of HTML and CSS, and if you don't know about programming, don't worry. There's this website which I'm also going to put here, you can check it out. That is creatopie.com. So all you need to do is go to this website and use a drag and drop builder to design what you want, and the code is going to be generated, and you can use this to deliver to your clients, and they're going to pay you so much money for it. Listen guys, if you're watching this video right now, keep watching, because I'm going to share so many things. If you have not gotten what you wanted, watch, and even at any point comment what you think, what you can do. That's the only way that I can help you. That's the only way that I can give you the best idea, because you just watching random videos on the internet and not sharing your reviews or your own point of view, it is so dangerous for you. You might be unfortunate that the big YouTubers might not be able to respond, but I'm very small channel here. There's no way that I cannot respond to the few comments I get on this. So if you have any worry, please drop it so that I'm going to respond to you. So this website literally does the creating of the banner ads for you, and this is something that nobody on the internet is talking about. And if you go and list yourself on freelancing platforms, you are going to make so much money from this. It actually requires no experience, because all you need to do is just copy the code and deliver. It sounds cool, right? And the next service which I'm going to be recommending to you to offer on freelancing platforms is prompting. So literally with prompting, what you need to do is just understand how to interact with chatbots, right? Everyday chatbots are built every day, and if you know how to do the right prompting, you're going to make a lot of money in the long run, because there's no one who's going to escape from this. Midjourney, ChatGPT, Bing, Google, all of them are bringing in powerful chatbots, and all that tools on websites and platforms are actually putting them into their own services to actually make life easy. So if you know how to give these prompts, you can offer your services in and out of freelancing platforms to make a lot of money. So if you're getting something here, head over to Fiverr right now, search for the keyword prompt engineering or prompt engineering or prompt engineer or ChatGPT prompting or just Midjourney prompting. You're going to see that very few people, not even up to 1,000, are doing these services and are offering these services. So it's a big opportunity for you watching this video, so don't miss out. Head over now and start doing something. The next which I'm going to be talking about is video captions. I actually mentioned a couple of these in my previous video, but I'm still talking about it because some people just want to get again and again before you believe me. This is a gold mine. Everybody is creating videos every day. It started on short form videos, now it's getting into long form videos. So please, if you are missing out and you are not yet offering any service, please go ahead and install the captions app, or you can go ahead and install the CapCut app. It actually automates those captions, like something you're seeing on this video right now, for completely free automatically. So these captions you're watching here was done by CapCut, and it is automatic. With just a click of the button, it generates this in any language which you can want. Another creative service which you can also offer as a beginner, zero newbie in freelancing, is user testing. Every day new softwares are created, new applications are created, and these people sometimes they want just somebody brand new or a random person to just use it. So I create a website and I say, hey man, I'm going to give you $10 for you to check out this website. How do you think about it? You know, I come and tell the person that the website is slow, the text there has grammatical errors, the spellings, the text is not bold, it's not visible. That's literally all that you need to do. Go to Fiverr. Tons of people are offering these services and they're making a lot of money from it. And if you join that clue, you're going to be also making that money. The good thing about all the services I'm listing to you here, especially those who do not watch this video, actually choose low competition leads. Some of them that I've mentioned here might have a little more competition, but If you understand and you're watching my series of freelancing, you're going to see that all of this is just very easy. So I don't want to take this video so long. If you actually enjoyed this video at any point, it's one of my just off videos. Give this video a like, turn on notifications for this channel, because almost every day I'm going to be dropping videos like this for you. See you in the next one. I'm Cyril and this is Double T. Ciao.